Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to unbox my order from ColourPop. I placed this order on a Sunday and it got to me about Wednesday afternoon. Inside should be the Kathleen Lights collaboration, the Zodiac palette, which I know has been out for a while, and the new Zodiac pigments that I know came out at the time of making this video about a week or so ago. So I'm really super excited. So let's get into it. All right, so it came in this box right here. I had a little fragile thing. It's actually came very well done. It's not really damaged, maybe a little smushed here and there, but that's actually pretty good. So let me get a scissor, go, and we are gonna open this up. What just fell? I don't know what just fell. Oh, there we go. Lots of bubble wrap, so that's really good. Let's see. Okay, you can see. Alright, that is my shipping label. We'll put that there. Alright. Oh, I forgot I ordered these things. So, okay, those two things, I'll talk about that real quick. We're gonna get into, alright, so, first thing out of the box is the Zodiac palette. So let's open her up. Pretty sure a lot of you have already seen this. This has been out for quite some time. I've only just now gotten it, so. Very, very pretty. Can't wait to play around with that. Alright, I think I've ordered from ColourPop before. So you get like these little postcards. You're poppin'. So it's nice, cute, cute smile. Alright, so this is the big thing. I have a glare from my window. So, this, I believe, is a little booklet that Kathleen did, so it explains a lot about the signs and stuff like that. But this is actually the package that she showed on her channel when she was introducing all these. So it's nice that she said they were all coming in this, and it did. Yes, that should be it. It was actually very well packed, so good on ColourPop for that. It was definitely really well packed. Alright, so how does this open? I forget how to open it. Oh, there we go. There's the tape. Okay. So, let's take out the little booklet. So, this is the little booklet. And inside has, so the first one is the RAM. It's the RAM. So it says the dates. So this is the March 21st to April 19th. So it kind of gives you a little bit of description. You have your element and planet is written on there. So that's really good. It has a couple nice pictures. So there we go. Now, we got that, and then it opens this way. Oh, you can see me. And those are the pigments. So, I never had the pigments that ColourPop first came out with. I never ordered them, never got them. So, I cannot compare to their new formula. But from what I was told, from what I can see, what I saw online, is that it's a different packaging and it's much better. So we are gonna, the one that, let's take out one. So this, I believe, is the Archer. So we're gonna zoom in. So it's nice rose gold. Has Kathleen Lights and ColourPop on it, nice and stars. So we got a nice little screw cap. And then it has the stopper. And it's actually, she had said that it's not filled all the way to the top, which is really good when you try to open it up for the first time and it goes everywhere. So good on her and good on ColourPop for coming up with that. But yeah, so it's not like, oh my god, it's only filled there. It's pretty decent amount, and a lot, from what a lot of people that I've watched, a lot of people I talk to, and they're like, it's gonna take a while for you to get through pigments. So that's nice. So we have that. I have no idea if I want to do swatches or not. Let's do swatches. I'm not gonna do swatches of the palette because that you do everywhere. But so I watched Kathleen's video and she said that really on their own you might get a couple good ones, but they're really meant to be with a glitter glue and a or glitter glue, glitter primer, and a mixing medium. So I actually have both the ones that she suggested, and she suggested the NYX. So you have the NYX glitter glitter primer and the NYX multitasking medium. So okay, so I took a quick break and did swatches. I heard that it's really hard to do really good swatches. It takes a lot of time. It does. It took a good 20 minutes to do all this. So, and oh my god, they're so bad. They're so, I'm not doing this good. So, we have, I'm gonna get this over here so I have the right names. So, this is in Natural Light. So this is, what I did is I did with a medium, with a mixing medium, and then dry. So the first one is the Archer. So with a mixed medium and dry. Then we have the Scorpion. Then we have the Scales. And then you cannot see it. I'm gonna have to do that. This is the Scales. And it's like, you can't, the Maiden is really a topper. It's white, it really is made to be a topper. I'm gonna, let's see if I can, yeah, it's, you can't see it. It's made to be a topper. It's beautiful, but it's made to be a topper. So then I have Leo. So dry, so medium and dry. Then we have the Crab, medium and dry. And then we have, I am so bad. And then we have the Twins. So medium with it and dry. And then we have the Bull with the mixed medium with dry. My swatches are horrible. You go in the comments going, oh my god, you swatch so bad. Yeah, this is my first time doing this, and I don't have a lot of space on here. I kind of got better on this arm. So this one is the Ram, so mixing medium. This one, for me, came out almost the same, dry and with a mixing medium. So that was it. This will be the Fish. So mixed medium without. Then this is the Water Bearer. And then the last one is the Goat. So that one came out really nice. So that's the swatches. I'm gonna wash all this off and then I will go over briefly the other two things that I got in this. So be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I kind of did them on my hand so I can show you better. So this is the Maiden. So like I said, it's clear and shiny. It's a beautiful topper. But this is with a mixed medium and this is dry. So that's that. What I am going to do now are the other two things that I got that I completely forgot I ordered. The first thing is a Super Shock shadow called Puppuccino. This is the This is the collab with the No Kill LA, I believe. So yeah, so that's the, there. And so that's it in it. We'll do a little swatch. So it's puppuccino, very pretty. I like it. I have glitter everywhere. Oh, I remember Kathleen saying that it's not that messy. It really isn't that messy if you're only going to use one pigment. But when you're trying to do all of them, it can get a little messy. Just saying. And then the other thing that I got is the ColourPop, what is this? The Glitterily Obsessed Body Glitter. This is the Eternal Sunshine. Now, I am not body glitter everywhere, but my son has decided, and this may change or may not, I'm not sure, but he is adamant that his birthday this year, the theme is going to be Peter Pan, and that he wants me to do my makeup to look like a mermaid. So, trying to figure out what that's going to actually look like, not sure. So, looking around, it almost smells like, you ever get like the bubbles, like the kid bubble smell? That's what that reminds me of. Does anybody else get that? I don't know. But this is the Glitterily Obsessed. And I thought that this, oh, it's like a putty. Yeah, it's like a putty. I thought that this would look really nice. Yes. Really, really nice on my skin to be like a mermaid. Just maybe make this be the highlight. Whenever it has like purples and silvers. I don't know. That just to me screams mermaid skin. But yeah. So that's why I got that. It's definitely glitterily. Glitter. It's definitely going to get everywhere. On me. It's definitely going to transfer onto clothes that I definitely foresee. But it definitely looks like it's going to be a lot of fun to do. And it will make my son very happy. If you want to see my son, he loves watching me put my makeup on, and sometimes I'll let him pick what colors to go on. I'll let him pick what colors to put that I want on, and so he wanted to do it, and I've been kind of reluctant to let him do it. He's 5. But I let him do it, and I have a video. I will see if I can link that below. It's basically my son tries to follow a Emily Noel tutorial. It's very cute. He loves it. He did 2 looks, but my phone like died halfway through the second look. So I only got 1. But if you want to see something cute and him like, oh yeah, you do this and put it in mommy's hair, it's fine. Yeah, so that is swatches. That is 2 extra little things. I'm going to try and link Kathleen Lights' videos on her palette and the pigments. She did a phenomenal job swatching them and everything like that. This one, this has been out for a while, so I'm not going to bother swatching it. So, yeah, and I've said so way too many times. Oh, completely. Can you tell this is my first video? Have I said that before? Yeah, this is my first official video. I have a couple of the videos on my channel, but they're just little one-up uploads that I thought were cute. Yeah, so that is my ColourPop haul, I guess. I did do a Target Makeup Geek shopping, so I have a couple things that I bought. Makeup Geek is now in Target. My local Targets just put up like their displays, and they have a whole bunch of Makeup Geek stuff. So I got like 3 eyeshadow quads that they sell, so if anyone wants to see me review those, awesome. But thank you for stopping by today. This is my very first video. Being that it's my very first video, I'm gonna say this right now. Any derogatory, mean, not constructive criticism comments will be deleted and blocked. So just gonna put that out there right now. But yeah, if you have any suggestions for other videos, what do you want to see, just let me know. Yeah, that's about it. So thank you for stopping by. I hope you have a nice day.